Hi, I'm Dr. Olivia James, and this is the Veterinary Dental Company. Today we have special guest Dr. Jack Easley joining us from Shelbyville, Kentucky. Welcome, Dr. Easley.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Dr. Easley received a DVM degree from Tuskegee University in 1976. After completing a large animal internship at Oklahoma State University, he served as an associate professor of surgery at Kansas State University from 1978 to 1980, where he completed an equine surgical residency and received a master's degree in surgery. He was an associate professor of surgery at the Virginia Polytech Institute, Virginia Maryland College of Veterinary Medicine from 1980 to 1982. In 1982, he was certified as a diplomat for the American Board of Veterinary Practitioners, Equine, and was recertified in 1992, 2002, and 2012. He is certified by the American Veterinary Dental College as an equine dental specialist. For over 40 years, Dr. Easley has lectured extensively on and promoted equine veterinary dentistry throughout the world. He has written hundreds of articles for publication in professional as well as lay equine journals, textbooks, and periodicals. Dr. Easley is the co-editor and major contributor of Equine Dentistry, first published in 1999. He's also the guest author of Veterinary Clinics of North America, Advances in Equine Dentistry, released in August 2013. Dr. Easley and colleagues added again to current literature with the most recent data and up-to-date research in equine dentistry. Dr. Easley resides in Shelbyville, Kentucky, where he owns a private practice emphasising equine dentistry, oral and maxillofacial surgery. He consults extensively in the areas of dental and maxillofacial surgery and accepts referrals from veterinarians seeking help in these areas. So welcome, Dr. Easley. We're really excited to have you here with us today, and we're going to be discussing, well, I guess an introduction to equine veterinary dentistry. So I think maybe the best place to start is let's look at some of the early history of veterinary dentistry.
Well, thank you. Equine dentistry, it's interesting. It's one of the earliest aspects of veterinary care that we have documented, and recent archaeological evidence has shown us that horses were one of the first few animals domesticated, and we've been using bits in horses' mouths now since about 3000 BC. And so, you know, bits have been in use for a long time. And soon after horses were bitted, it became a practice that they've recently discovered to start doing dental procedures on horses. And there's been some evidence from the late Bronze Age that's shown that young horses that were bitted had their wolf teeth removed, and they had deciduous incisors removed, and we don't know what other procedures were done, but I'm sure they were quite primitive. But I think people found out once they domesticated the horse and started using the bit in its mouth, especially after metals became popular in the Bronze Age, and they started putting metal bits in horses' mouths, that there was a need for dental care. There really wasn't any diagnosis of disease or anything like that at that time. But it's interesting how these mechanical things were done to associate and accommodate horses to the bit early on. Well, we know that the Chinese used horses both for transportation and for war early on in the history of mankind, over 3,000 years ago. And it's interesting that there are actually there's a dental chart that's been discovered that was, we think, published about 600 BC that shows aging horses by their teeth.